Welcome back, everybody. I've got the final version of this MENG Churchill World War Toons tank that I did for the Deformed and Cartoon group build this year, put on by Papa Dan, I guess Hobby Time with Papa Dan, and Colonel Reb and Tommy. We thank you folks for doing that. I've got my build completed here. It was a snap kit. Basically everything just pushes together. There's a few of the smaller pieces that I glued, they're a little bit loose fitting, so I just glued them in place. But everything else just pressed into place. I did as you saw in the previous video, I did the painting separately and then pushed things together, put the tracks on, and then put the body over top to hold it in place. The cannon does go up and down, and the turret does turn. I've done some washes over it. I did the airbrush camo with the olive green. I didn't like it at first how it turned out, so what I did is I took the Tamiya panel line, brown panel line, and I brushed that over the entire tank, over the entire body a couple of times just to highlight, and then I think that little darker brown shade just kind of made it pop and brought out the color, and blended the tan and the green a little bit together and just added what was missing. I've added the decals yesterday, and I just airbrushed it with a coat of matte clear. I used the LA Totally Awesome Mop and Shine for that. I've taken some liberties maybe on the painting. I have these, I think they were fire extinguishers here that are supposed to be red, but I've heard they could be blue with a copper top, so I did them in blue. And the shovel I painted up with some gunmetal and some beige, and these little tow hooks on here, they just clip on, so they flip around. I got them in gunmetal. I painted the gas tank in a dark red over a gray base with the brown strap on it, beige strap. Gunmetal on the chains here, on the tow cables. Put a brown wash over the decals again just to dull them down a little bit. It's a fun build. It's a little tight fit in some places, but I'm really happy with it. It's my first tank. I don't know if I'd want to try doing a real tank, like a real kit of a scaled down tank and with all the technicalities and everything. This was just fun as a cartoon build, just to build and have fun and enjoy it. I actually might try and find a couple more of these just to be able to display them together, and looking forward to doing this again. So thanks everybody for your support. Thanks Dan and Tommy for putting on the group build again this year, and it's a lot of fun, and I'm really happy with this, the way it turned out. Thanks for watching and for your support. Stay tuned to see what's coming up next.